What's up everybody, Matt Moran here, and this is the all-new 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLS that was debuted here at the New York Auto Show. So, it's a pretty good look, it's pretty standard Mercedes, it's a little bit different there for the headlights and taillights, and a little bit longer, of course, but still looks very much like a GLE to me. But it is 3 inches longer than the previous GLS. It's about 1 inch wider and 1 inch shorter as well. So there's two versions currently that they're debuting. The base model is called the GLS 450 and runs the turbo 3-liter inline 6 along with a 48-volt mild hybrid system for 362 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. But then there's that EQ Boost hybrid system that can add an additional 21 more horsepower and 184 more pound-feet of torque for small amounts of time, of course. It also allows for extended stop-start cycles, and you can also run the AC compressor and water pump off of those batteries and electric motor as well. The GLS 580 debuts the first combo of the V8 with the EQ Boost system. So it uses the 4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine for 483 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque on its own. And then the hybrid system can then again kick in for those same amounts of boost that you got on the 450 version. Both versions run the 9-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. 0 to 60 for the 450 version is 5.9 seconds, but then if you go for the 580 version, that goes down to 5.2. And since all GLSs get the mild hybrid setup, they also all come standard with the Mercedes Airmatic air suspension and the e-active body control, which is like an active damper system. The interior, though, is very similar to the GLE and kind of cookie cutter Mercedes, with still the nice dual screens, including the touchscreen MBUX infotainment system. But it's a little underwhelming to me personally. I was expecting more S-Class components and less GLE. You have the same grab handles as the GLE and everything. I mean, it's nice still. I mean, Mercedes still makes some of the nicest interiors out there. But I just was expecting it to be a little more upmarket. But maybe that's what the Maybach version is going to be doing. We'll have to see. That version is coming along with AMG versions eventually, but they're not revealing those just yet. But anyway, these can seat either 6 or 7 people depending on the configuration. You can get the captain's chairs there for the second row if you'd like, and only needs 6 seats. All 3 rows of seats can also be heated now, and thanks to a 2-inch longer wheelbase, there's more room for all the passengers. Mercedes claims people as large as 6'4" can fit in that 3rd row. But I checked it out there at the show, and I'm assuming that claim is with the 2nd row slid all the way forward, because that 3rd row didn't seem too roomy to me with the 2nd row pushed back. And honestly, like a Lincoln Navigator has way more space. Also, it seems like they could have made it even a little bit more spacious than they did, but maybe they didn't want to make it too big. I don't know. But anyway, I think it still is going to be very nice, and for those that want a 3-row luxury vehicle, you have this, but now you also have the BMW X7 as well, which is also going to be very competitive. This segment's heating up, so hopefully this will be enough. We'll have to wait and see. These are going to be on sale late this year, and there's no pricing for them yet here. But anyway, let me know your thoughts on the new GLS in the comments below. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.